Hey, welcome to today's video. So here in the US, in just a couple weeks, it'll be Mother's Day. It's May 9th this year. So it's time to get to thinking about what you're gonna get that special mom in your life. It's your own mom, your grandma, your mother-in-law, your wife, your sister, whoever you wanna celebrate as a mom. So this is always a special time. Look, I'm gonna get choked up. I can hardly ever do Mother's Day things without getting choked up. Oh, wow, this is not how I planned to start this video. I had a feeling I'd get choked up right off the bat. Okay, and it's silly. Okay, bear with me. Because if you're new here, you're probably like, this lady's crazy. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I get all emotional. I have so many things going on in life. And Mother's Day makes me miss my mom. I think that would be normal for anyone. So I lost my mom when I was 17 and she was amazing, and I wish she was here to get one of these gifts, but she's not. Here you are thinking you're coming here to see some fun gifts, and here I am being a blubber baby. Okay, we gotta stop talking about the sentimental things and we gotta get to the fun stuff. But if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe, and to everyone else, thank you so much for coming back. So let's just get right to it. My first item, you're probably like, what is that? We're gonna go through a whole gamut of gift ideas of maybe some things that you've seen before or you haven't seen to get your mind thinking. And most of these products are off of Amazon. There are a few that aren't. Everything will be listed down below to make everything super easy for your shopping. So we're gonna do gifts from really impractical to the practical, because there's some moms who don't want anything that's, you know, that's like, they want it to be super practical, very useful. And some moms, if you got them a kitchen gadget for Mother's Day, they'd bop you upside the head. They want something personal. So we're gonna go through all the ideas so you have plenty of choices. I personally recommend all of these. I did not just get things, I've been trying them out, all of that. So I'm not gonna recommend anything here to you that I would not get something for my own family. And to some of my family members, when you get, because some of these are actually your gifts, so when you get them, just pretend they weren't opened or tried out. Okay, so back to this, sorry. First item we're gonna talk about, I tested it out myself. Everyone's always talking about a silk pillowcase. So some of them are super expensive. I found this one on Amazon. It is a mulberry silk. Here's the main reason why I got it. Was because I have really frizzy hair and I wanted one that was supposedly supposed to help with frizzy hair. And so I tried it out for, I think I've had this for about 2 weeks and I loved it. I feel like my hair wakes up in the morning, it's not as frizzy. Also, something that I'm noticing that I'm really enjoying is I don't have like wrinkle marks on the side of my face. So it's supposed to be good for your skin, good for your hair. They have all different kinds of colors. Something else that I really like about it is that the pillow zips inside. So it's not just like hanging out like, you know, like most pillowcases are. I just like it to be all neat and zipped up inside, so that's really nice. It's naturally hypoallergenic and it also is really cooling. Like, it feels nice. I don't know about you, but with my regular pillowcase, I'm flipping it constantly, trying to just get it that cool comfort I want, and this has been really cooling. So if you want one for yourself, great. If not, mom would love this. This is a really just fun, neat suggestion, and a lot of women, especially as they age, this is really beneficial. So this will be listed down below. This is a mulberry silk pillowcase. This pillowcase for the standard size was around $20. I think the queen size was like $22. So that is a great price. Okay, next up, this is for your essential oils loving mom. This is pretty much one of the coolest things I've seen for essential oils. You know, they have all different kinds of diffusers and everything. First of all, it comes in this adorable little box. So that was super nice. It is this awesome, let me show you. Little, it almost looks like a little like tree of life. It's like a little bracelet. And what it is it's an essential oils diffuser bracelet. Let me show you how it works. It comes with all these little felt inserts. And what you do is you diffuse your essential oil onto this, and then you place it inside your bracelet. So this just unscrews. Wow, I should have had my nails done for this, huh? Place it in there. See how it's sitting in there? And then it screws back in. The cool part is it has a bunch of different colors so you can match your outfit. So you just put it around your wrist. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Look how nice that is. Look how cute that looks. It's double-sided. So you can put any kind of essential oil you want in there. Say you're one that gets headaches a lot and you want like your peppermint oil or that kind of thing. How nice would it be to just be smelling that and you don't have to put it directly on your skin? And so I think this is a really cool thing. You can match your outfit. It's got white and black, blue, reds, orange, purples, greens, pink. I mean, any outfit that you're wearing. This is the cutest idea and I just love how stylish it is. I just want to wear it as a bracelet. I don't even need the essential oils. This is a really fun idea. So this will be listed down below also. Keep in mind that all of these gift items are super inexpensive. There's only a couple. I think the most expensive item that I have in this entire thing, well, is $49, but the rest of it is $40 and below. So keep that in mind. Okay, this essential oils diffuser bracelet was less than $15 on Amazon. I think it was something weird like $14.44. It'll be listed down below. That's a good deal. Okay, the next item up for you guys is shower steamers. I know you're thinking, huh? Everybody, wants to, sometimes they get mom like bath bombs and different things like that. But what if you have a mom who doesn't really enjoy a bath, doesn't have time to sit there and relax in a bath because she's busy, but still you want to give them like a spa-like treatment in their shower? These are amazing. These are called shower steamers. This one has 6 different shower tablets in it. These smell amazing. You just take them out of this little wrapper, put them in your shower, and within a few minutes, the steam releases this most beautiful aromatherapy in there, and it'll be so relaxing. This is a really great idea. This is less than $20. I think this was like $18.98. I think this is a really unique idea, especially if you don't want to get mom the bath bomb. I would go with this. I really enjoyed the ones that I've been using. I got my own pack. This is for someone else. So this will be listed down below. Just another fun idea to spoil your mom. Just a little side note. This video is not sponsored. These are all my own personal ideas of just to give you guys ideas. So nothing sponsored here. These are just my ideas. Okay, we kind of already talked a little bit about jewelry, but with the bracelet, now I'm wearing it. Now I just want to keep wearing it. Let's go do a few more little jewelry items that I think are super nice to spoil mom that maybe you hadn't thought of. So this next one is not off of Amazon. This is actually from Kendra Scott. And oh boy, Kelsey and Michaela, if you're watching, you need to not look because I don't want you to see this. But for my girls this year, I wanted to get them something special for Mother's Day because they're both mamas. And guys, I'm gonna get emotional. I knew I would. So, okay, what is going on with me today? So, my name with the girls, my name is Mama. We always spelled it M-A-M-A. And so for my girls, I bought them, comes in this pretty little bag and that pretty little box. I bought them the sweetest little bracelet and it says Mama. It's just this really pretty natural stone. I love it. It's got this really nice like clasp. Just, is that not the sweetest thing? The reason I chose to get this for the girls is because it is time to pass my name down because I have my own new name. My name is Grandma. And so it is time to pass the mama reins down to my girls. And so this is what I decided to get for them. So this is a really special gift. These are $40 over on Kendra Scott. I'll leave a link for them down below. Whoa, the shipping was so fast. I literally got these the next day. I don't know if it's because I have a Kendra Scott here in my town, if it actually came from there, but I don't think it did. But wow, I got this the very next day. So there's that if you're procrastinating. But this is just a really sweet idea. They have a lot of really neat ideas on there. So I just wanted to include this one and kind of spill my secret of what I got my girls and passing down the name of mama to them. Boy, I hope we're not gonna play a game where it's like, how many times does Leslie get choked up in this video? Because whoa. Okay, sticking with the jewelry theme right now, I wanted to tell you about these earrings that I found on Amazon. And I also want to talk about some earrings from just a small business that she has great stuff. These were bought off of Amazon. They're really neat. And I think this would be the great gift for the flower lover in your family. So say you don't want to get your mom actual flowers because they just, you know, they just die. Look at these gorgeous earrings. Let me see if they'll show up. It's kind of hard to see. This is, I'll put a picture here also from Amazon. These are dried flowers inside of the earring. So inexpensive, but how pretty is that to get your mom? Like, these are gorgeous. Okay, so these are $32. They're sold on Amazon. They also are, they're 14 karat gold over sterling silver. So hopefully that'll be good for anyone who's got like hyperallergenic stuff with their ears. I would get these for my mom. Like, well, like I said earlier, every single thing in here I would get. And these are actually a gift for someone. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I feel like I'm Vanna White and I'm like, and you should see this. I'm cracking myself up. If you follow me over on Instagram, I'm always showing my earrings and my necklace. I found the best company. Actually, she found me. She's so sweet. Her name is Jessica and she owns Ep & Company. She has, she sent me some earrings that I showed over on Instagram and then in this necklace, which I love. Oh my goodness. And she sent me so many neat ones. Look at these wicker rattan ones. They're so cute. I get a lot of compliments on my earrings. And so it's just been really fun. Definitely check out her site if you love supporting small business because she has the most affordable earrings. Most of her earrings are like $12, $14, $16 and she has free shipping and it's fast. And so I would definitely recommend her. I just want to, let's help the small businesses out. And so go check her out. You will not be disappointed. I never, ever will show you guys anything that I don't personally love or use. So definitely go check her out. And to finish up the jewelry part, okay, don't laugh, but I got myself a gift. This, because you know how we travel in our camper? And if you guys travel, one day we are all going to travel again, I promise. But if you travel, then I take my earrings with me and I wanted just a really nice jewelry box that's travel worthy, but here's the best part about this. And I know you might not know this if you don't love earrings, but this is so key. This one, so one, it holds a lot. Let me show you, but let me show you why I got this one. I don't know if you can, yes, you can. It actually has the earring holes. So my earrings don't just have to get, great place for rings, but my earrings don't have to just get thrown down in there. I can actually hook my earrings and they can stay nice and I don't have to worry about it. Got a place right here to hook your necklaces. That is so important so they don't get, you know, all tangled. Got a nice little pocket here. This thing, I think, I'm gonna check the price for you, but this, let me hook a pair of earrings on there and show you. Okay, yep, I am so happy I bought this. This is great. And even, because I always have big earrings, but if you had small ones, you could put the small ones underneath on the other holes, but this is so perfect. This white one was $9.99 and I believe it came in other colors. There was like a teal, a pink, a black. Yeah, I can't remember all the colors, but I just went with white just so it would kind of match whatever luggage I was using. But I got this for myself. I'm super excited. Now I have a really nice place to keep everything all in order and my jewelry won't be everywhere. And the biggest thing is usually my necklace gets wrapped around my earrings and it turns into a nightmare. So this is a really, really fun gift, practical gift, but awesome gift. We're getting close to the end here, but you need to stick around because the next two items are for your super practical mom. But even though they're practical, they are things that I love. Okay, so this next item, I'm just gonna take you over here and show you. This next item is super practical. This actually was gonna be included in my testing products for TikTok, but it didn't come in time. And once it came, I'm like, oh my goodness, I love this thing. Kelsey and Michaela, if you're watching this part, would we not have loved this when you guys were kids? You're probably like, Leslie, what the heck is it? So obviously, as you can see, it is a basket that is designed to sit on the stairs. It's got like 2 different compartments in there, and it has carrying handles. When my girls were young and they were here, every day I would, oh my goodness, pile up these stairs with things that they needed to take to their room. And so here, I just grabbed a couple things that we were doing. You just pop the stuff in here that needs to go up there, and then they could have carried it up every night or however often you do it. This thing is awesome. These are all the rage all over TikTok. I also have a really cute idea. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. So my girls, obviously nobody really lives upstairs here at my house anymore. I have a fun idea of what I think I'm gonna do with this. And it's completely random and you guys are gonna think it's crazy. It's gonna be in another video, but I'm gonna give you a sneak little tell about right now. For me, since I no longer have anyone living upstairs to, you know, pile all of our stuff in, how cute would this be to turn this into a planter that sits on your stairs outside, if you have stairs. So I have a back deck that I'm making over for spring, and I'm gonna turn this into a planter that sits on my staircase. I think that's so cute. Or what if you have a front porch and you have steps that come up to it? How cute would it be to set this on the stairs and be full of flowers coming out of the top? I don't know, just getting crazy on you guys, but I'm gonna make that over, so come back for that video. That should be coming up really soon, if the weather here would cooperate. But anyway, how fun would this be? This is a great idea, super practical. I know I would have absolutely loved this when my girls were young, because you could just be like this, and off you go. So this basket was $35 and maybe like 49 cents on Amazon. It was something like that. That is a really good deal. It's super great quality, love it. So that'll also be listed down below for the practical mom who likes storage, who likes to keep things organized, or wants to make a planner out of it. So for my next practical gift option, I actually did show this one in the testing the TikTok products. But it's worthy of showing again because I'm obsessed with it. Everybody that knows me knows I'm obsessed with it. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with it. It's the Stuffler. It's the stuffed waffle maker. It's the most expensive thing on our list. This is the one that's like $49.95 or something like that. Worth every penny. I love this thing. We have made so many different stuffed waffles. I have had waffles for dinner now because of this. I'm obsessed. I'm going to be inserting some clips here showing you what we made the day that we tested this out for video. But since then, I have made so many different kind of waffles. It's ridiculous. I'm not exaggerating. It is one of my favorite things. It's little and compact, so that's nice. It makes the best waffles. It's this little handle that really helps you to be able to make the stuffed waffle and get it out without destroying it. I mean, whoever came up with this is genius. Like, this is awesome. I probably sound like a broken record because everybody I talk to is like, oh boy, Leslie's making a waffle again. I can't help it. I don't know. I never realized I love waffles so much. So if you have the practical mom who actually enjoys a kitchen appliance for her Mother's Day, do not get this for her if she does not, because there are some moms who do not like that. So only if she's practical and enjoys stuff like this. I really recommend this. This is fun. It comes with a little booklet that tells you some different recipes, and you can go online. There's all different fun recipes. We've done chicken and waffles, s'more stuffed waffles, strawberry stuffed waffles. Still on my list is the cornbread with the chili. It's kind of not the right season for that right now, but it's been a little chilly here, so maybe I might just go ahead and do it. And if I do, I'll make a reel over on Instagram to show you guys. But anyway, $49, $30, something like that. I don't know. It'll be listed down below. Definitely recommend this. Definitely. I hope you guys spoil the mom in your life and you really enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.